Karen. One together. Anyone, can you join this? Okay. Also, I will. Grupo que join this. No, no, просто когда на поедет, someone, okay. Just check. 2350. Now, good afternoon. Take a seat. Thank you. Now, today this is our our lesson. It is from the reading task. And if you try to pay attention here, the topic of our today's lesson, you need to, for example, search or explain about, or for example, by watching the photos or pictures one. Okay, if you are ready, let me to show. This is the first version of this picture. Only read and see the pictures one. Okay. Imagination. What do you see? What kind of we're going to speak about? Okay. No, this topic is 24%. This is approximately depends on the reading task and reading, for example, like sphere or our subject. Okay, maybe profession. The top, maybe. What about the next one? Next picture. Okay. What kind of text? Huh? Maybe coins. Okay. But what about for reading or specific information that we can express our idea about it? What else? What else? Okay. Next one. Something you see 1, 2, or 3, 4. No, it's not dependent. Okay, next one. What about this? Table of contacts, heading, illustration, photographs, something else. These words. Okay, matching headings, maybe. What about this? What kind of activity or where we can see or make such kind of saying sentence? Okay. Matching what? Names of matching the names, but we have the type of the activity like matching. Yes, you are matching heating. But besides heating, we add something as special. What kind of what we can add here? What we have while we are using or working with text maybe while we are trying to make the IELTS. Okay, what about this? Like taking some consideration to some words or to put in the bold style of the writing system. Besides matching heading, what we need to change one word like heading. What we can use. Okay, maybe or information. What does that for that? Thank you. You read. I said you read the. Okay, the topic of today's the matching heading. Thank you because you know why she told me. Okay, go. Thank you. Matching features. Okay, may I ask this question? Did you meet this before? Depending on the word, matching features. What is it? Features. Don't look. Don't read. I need to class. Okay. Matching features. What is it? What do you understand when you see, or for example, maybe make this word relate to something else?
Teachers may be used like this information or their passage like names. Okay. What else? Matching pictures. Uh-huh. What else? For example, what kind of maybe like activities we can use? Okay, now let me to explain about this one. Matching features. It means we know sometimes we're working with the testing system like IELTS, reading question types. We have approximately like four main sphere or styles when we're starting to work with the IELTS, depending on the reading. The first one, it means matching task. We are making. The first one is starting with the matching features. Second, it means the continuation of the matching sentence endings. What kind of like activities or maybe what is it? What can you say about these matching sentence endings or like endings? You. One sentence divided into two types. Okay. Each exam you should mix them. Mix them. Okay. It means yes, we have the beginning of the sentence, but from put inside of the passage one we can choose and to try to put in order by paying attention to the first part of the sentence. Okay, good. Information matching. It means here we need to pay attention to the what? To the years and the names of something else. Heading matching. Next, multiple choice. We know what does it mean. Like what is it? It's like using questions and with answer. Uh-huh. You should look, choose like chosen for example, one from three or four, chose two from five, chosen like three from six. It means we have approximately the main like word, and inside of this like word, maybe inside of the passage one, we need to choose approximately two on the like calculation, short answers without like adding a lot of like depending on the words one. Sentence completion, text completion, summary with a box, leveling and approximately inside of the exam, where you are required to match a list of statements that we mentioned before, facts or opinions to a list of features from a text. The main idea should be the features one. By paying attention to the what? To the main specific information, like main tasks should be mentioned here. Okay, these features are technically categories such as the names, dates, place, or maybe series. We know that we are mostly trying to work with this. Let's move on. Let's to see. Okay, matching features. How to answer matching features questions? We have such kind of like depending on the we need to put. Well, first of all, what we need? We need to read the title of the passage. By reading the title into our mind, what we are stating, we are starting to see about the text. What kind of like text we're starting to read about the information, the main part. For example, lifehood, maybe childhood, something else. But into our, for example, mind, there will be information that we are going to read about someone's life, or maybe like depending on the yes. Second one, read the instructions. By reading the instruction, it means we'll understand and we'll start to choose our correct, like proper way to continue to do our task and to take the Excel mark at the end. Okay, reading the instruction. Third one, highlight keywords of options. We know what tasks. Yeah. The keywords that are mostly used and a lot of like words may be like used inside of the passage. Locate keywords of all options in passage. It means where we can put them, searching by taking from the question and choosing from the passage. Highlight keywords of statement, comparing, and matching. Now, the next slides there will be information about what kind of like things we have a chance to do or what we need to do. The topic that you read maybe before, maybe it's similar from you, maybe like maybe for example like in knowledge to do first. What we're doing before starting, we're starting to take any information by paying attention to the passage and the question.
This was the information about the first one. Second, reading instruction. Instruction will show you what type of question you have to answer. You see, by reading the instruction and then you know what to answer the question inside. That's why, first of all, read the instruction very careful by paying attention to the maybe not all the, for example, information that will not be used or shown by someone. Real exams like paper. It means the classify the following cases. You see the A, B, or someone depending on the continuation, it works like it was chosen. Maybe you can, for example, use your pencil, pen if you have. But after the reading one, this is highlighting in the bold version. We can, for example, like this. Next one. Locate keywords of options in passage. Highlight and underline keywords of options in the passage. The first previous one, it was chosen by the instruction. And here we can use them or search or, for example, find inside of the passages. This is the sphere. Okay. Next one, fifth one is highlight keywords of statement. Read the statement carefully. Highlight the keywords in each of them. This helps you comparing with the information, the passage easily. You choose, for example, you draw, you, for example, try to take the two like words from the passage and from the like instructions one. It will be very helpful for you to work without like losing the time. The next one is comparing. Read the whole sentence including keywords of options in the passage if you read the sentence before and or after. Look for keywords, and here you need to search like synonym, antonym, keywords from the like statements in the passage. And the last one is compare the meaning of these samples because we know that in some, for example, depending on the activities, we can see on the question the synonym or, for example, instead of question they can be like different something another antonym or not antonym or mostly we, for example, see the synonyms. And the last version depends here the two working between approximately about the reading task. This is the matching. Match information in the passage with the information in the statement if they have the same meaning. The meaning. The words can be different, but the meaning, for example, it could be or can be similar with each other. Write the letter ABCD of the option next to the statement. This was information, and the notice it's like depending on the to put the conclusion of our like presentation. Also, I was reading techniques. Always take note for synonym and antonym. The questions are not in the same order as the information in the passage. If the instructor says you may use only any letter more than once, one option can be chosen more than one. We know that approximately the words that we have a chance to see inside. This will be, we'll try to work this later. And now, questions approximately about the information about the reading features. Do you have any questions? Questions one. Okay. Yeah.
Structures or these contained in the multiple choice question.
Okay, now this question that she tried to give, I will distribute this paper depending on the activities one. You will find, you will see approximately about the information that I mentioned before. Okay, now before distribute, let me introduce about the topic what you need to do. Here, for example, before starting to read, we have some like words, and you need to choose to search about the definition of the word. And all these are included here. After this, approximately I will give you 3 minutes for this before starting. And then you need to read the text, whole text, and do this task. But we'll try to do this task step by step. The first one, it will be given for you approximately for how many minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. And what are we going to do? Okay, the first one is find this, for example, thank you. It's for you.
Okay, 3 minutes. Let's start. Let's. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we have approximately 1 minute. That's why it sounded like other students. Okay, so time is up. Let's also check the first task. Okay, can you read the first one? Invention, and your answer is B.
Yes.
Okay, can you read the answer first of all? Your version, please. A scientific test to discover something. Okay, this is another word.
And you
Oh, okay, thank you. Can you read the second one, please?
E. An explanation of how or why something
Happens. Okay, any other versions?
Oh.
No, thank you. Can you read the third one, please?
Certain experience. B. A scientific test to discover something.
Any other version?
No.
No, thank you. Can you read the next one, fourth one?
Discover. A. Find or learn something for the first time.
Any other version do you have? No,
Yes.
this is the correct. You have 5 minutes. And the last one is yes, please.
Contribution is B. Something that the person is or
As to have. Okay, thank you. I think all the answers were correct. Now, what do you see? Let me ask one question depending on the next slide. Before you see that matching the words, paying attention, well, we are starting to read. What kind of like text or like passage depending on the next like activity we're going to do? What kind of like topic maybe? Okay, thank you. Because it means by paying attention to the words like inventory, there, discovery, contribution. Okay, now the next question. Before reading, please ask you to listen, okay? Please put your like paper somewhere.
Do you know what kind of like things or like discoveries that people maybe invented the name of the person and his or her like jobs, approximately inside of our life, from the lifestyle, maybe from the, you know, who discovered what like this? And it is approximately, do you know information about the light bulb? Who invented this? Huh? Light bulb.
I have one and then discovered
Uh-huh.
this element is the this person is really well known in our world.
Uh-huh.
No, we know. This is a scientific invention, not it. But also, he discovered like lots of cars.
Elon Musk. Okay. Any other like random maybe information that maybe you believe? Who knows? Like who discovered the internet? What about from the physician like physics one? Isaac Newton, same here. Okay. Mendeleev, what kind of bacteria? France.
Chemistry.
What is it? And okay, send it. Okay, now let me take the information because now I'll give you approximately like 7 minutes for reading the passage and then doing only the task one. Okay, 7 minutes. Okay, we have approximately 3 minutes. 3 minutes out. Okay. Okay. Let's wait some other part of it. Okay, are you ready? Okay, if you are ready, let's start. Sita, can you read? The first one is okay. Can you read the scientist and the contribution that would discover? Read the.
Isaac Newton. Newton developed
The
the knowledge of the motion in
uh, and the answer is C. Thank you. Can you read the second one?
T. Charles Darwin.
Charles Darwin. Good, thank you. Can you repeat the third one, please?
The first is electric light bulb. E.
Light bulb, it's like for Thomas
Edison.
Edison. Next one is invented.
Yeah, invented the telephone. B. Alexander Graham Bell.
Alexander Graham Bell. Okay. The telephone was invented. Next one, please.
A. B. Q.
Okay. Next, please.
Sir Concept. Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein. Can you read the next one?
Of the DNA. H1. Rosalind Franklin.
Do you know what does it mean? DNA? Yeah, but then, and do you know the abbreviation? Did you mention or present so somewhere?
No.
Why?
No.
Can you read the next one, please?
Maybe current is power system. The answer is J. Nicola Tesla.
And the last one is, please?
Stories about and the universe. A. Contribution A. Stephen Hawking.
Oh, okay. Yes, this was the correct answer. It's like I. Now, let's move on. Let's try to put the conclusion for the task 2. You need to find a search like true, false, not given. Okay, 3 minutes. It will be enough. We have the last minute. Time is up. Can we start or we need extra time? Okay. 2 minutes. Not not 1, 2 minutes it will be enough. Okay, let's concentrate on. Can we start?
Yes.
Okay. Who want to read the first? No, maybe can we? Yeah, no one. Yes, please. The first one is. Can you read the correct answer? Mm-hmm. Because she what? Any other versions?
No.
No, thank you. It's correct. Can you read the second one, please?
Bell's first invention was designed to help the deaf.
Mm-hmm.
It's true.
True.
Helping the deaf.
It's on helping the deaf.
Is it true? Also not given. It's true. Thank you. Can you read the next one, please?
Exactly. Those personal science.
Mm-hmm.
This cows weight from the two plastic discs. Yes.
Any other version?
No. So, nothing. Not you. Nothing.
It's true. This because it's given. Here we have the information like Isaac Newton's discovery simple many fields of science. But depending on the passage, it's fine. Laid to the foundation for the classical, for example, physics. It means we have the special several types of spheres by paying attention to the physics one. Okay, that's why. The next one, please. Can you read this? So, okay, so you. Mhm. It's not given. Okay. Any other word? No. Yes. She is to. You're like when it's correct, like not given. Can you read the next one, please?
It is in the camera through technology.
True. Okay.
And what motion practices
In English, please. Listen. Okay. Edison invented the camera, but here inside of the passage, what we have? What kind of information? It means it will be the false version. Not true. This is false. Okay. How many of you, for example, choose the true one? How many? Only one. Only you. That's all. No, that's true. Go. Depending on the answer one. True. Only one. She. Use it. Huh? He choose. Okay. Next one, please. Yes. Can you read?
This is true.
Mm-hmm.
Six one.
Six one is true, false, not given. She, for example, mentioned that her answer is true. We'll stop in the true, or some we can use any other like. Yes, thank you. That's like oh, thank you. Yes, you're right. Next one, please. Can you read? Seventh. Not given. Okay. So,
And direct. Yeah, it's not.
yes, it's false. False. With sign without like not giving false, this will be the correct answer. And okay, is it
Eight one.
eighth one? The who want to read the correct answer, like true one? True. How we can explain it? That this is, for example, like this is false. Why?
Not given. Don't do the information about the local price.
But the information depending on her own lifestyle. You should mention like this is like false. False. False one word say sorry. It's like you see the depending on the style of the writing. Rosalind Franklin won a Nobel Prize during her lifetime. But from the like internet resource and other like parts of the sphere of the lifestyle, it's like false. And the last one is last one. Can you read? Read the last. Yes. Any other questions? No. It's true. Thank you. Now let's put the. Okay, may I ask you all your like papers to put like this backside three place because if you match, for example, if you see here, I'll try to divide into three groups. It means we'll start to work in a group work. Why? You place I say you put your papers like the same here. It means here you will have the names of the who's what kind of like the scientists, thank you, scientists and their jobs. It means you need to put them in order. And I'll give you no more than 3 minutes. It will be enough, but please don't stop, okay? I'll put like this because need to distribute these papers to them and try to work together, okay?
Yeah.
Don't look, don't open. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. 3 minutes. Who's the novel? Seconds, the other part of your Okay, the third group finish, the first one. Okay, second. Are you sure? Finished? Okay, now let's rate, for example, from the first like number, like Marie Curie. Am I right? The first one?
Yes.
The number of the passage. Or for example, like what the like piece one? Page number 6. And okay, good. Like let's count like this. One. It means we'll count at the end of your like Italian source. It will have of counting this also the like mark. Okay. Second one. Second number. Read the name and for example the piece number of the page. Huh? And Alexander Graham Bell and the number 4. Four. Yeah, good. 111. And the third one is please. Isaac Newton with the number 8. 8. 8. Yeah, 8. 8. 8. 8. Okay. Can you read the next course? This space one. This number 5. And we'll have 7. Yes. Yes. It means 1, 1. Okay, second. I'm not going to touch it. It means you have to like mistakes, you know? Two mistakes, not one. Can you read the next? Okay, the next one. Read, please. Albert Einstein? No, Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison, these two. Second. Okay, good. 1, 1, and 1.
Albert Einstein, please. 7.
7.
7, yeah.
And what about you? An after one. You have an after one. Okay, thank you. Because we hear before the number that's 7. Your turn, please. Nikola Tesla? Nikola?
9.
9.
Nine.
What do you explain? They put now, like after hearing your answer, they have mistakes. Yes. Please, that's why don't hurry up like this. I will not put.
What?
You choose one of them. No, no. Okay, now you see
Nine.
the next one. No, no, no. The next. The next one.
Three.
3. Maybe first. Good. Okay. Good.
If.
Now it's first is like nice. 1. Good. Now let's continue like this. It means we'll put like class. May I ask you to turn and to see approximately like 10 minutes like video. It means this video this will inform you about the famous invention and their inventor. Like you will only your task will be only to read because after watching this, there will be the quiz time. Okay? Are you ready? Watch and read. That's all. And put it in your mind, depending on the time you can. Don't like to let your kids. I know. That's all. Thank you. Next question. Now, I think some of the information that we include inside of this video, you put into mind question. Now, let's see, check the your what memory. Okay. Quiz approximately information about the asking the questions depending on the people or
we will answer 45 questions in 5 seconds each. Let's get started.
No, I need to write down like this. Use course here because you know why? Yes. No, no. We have one, for example. Can you write approximately about the covered answer? So can you divide the slide into three lines? First and second and this quickly one. Okay. No. We'll hear all your answers and at the, for example, final, we'll go. Okay, for example, all your answers was like Alexander Graham Bell. All of you will give you one. Okay? We'll hear two from the second. From the second.
Team by team.
No, we'll hear all of the answers from the whole team, all the groups one, and then we'll see approximately about the answer for it, and a whole the group will put like one, or no one will do at least one. Yeah. Okay, let's move on.
It's Alexander Graham Bell.
Next.
In which year was the telephone invented?
Okay. Your, for example, your answer. A. A also. A. Well, watch the answer. Okay.
No.
A. That's all. A.
Cherry discovery, 1898.
Your turn. Your turn.
What did Marie Curie discover? 18.
B. B. Okay.
98. Right.
Okay.
Radium and polonium.
Next one.
Who is known for the discovery of
Your turn. Read and then answer. Let's start from the first row. We'll start. Maybe you. C. B. Okay. One answer.
penicillin?
The second group. One. Okay. Next one. 42. Let's force.
It's Alexander Fleming. She is Thomas Edison most famous for?
C. Okay. All of the answers is like the C word. Okay. Good. One.
Who discovered the theory of relativity?
A.
Who did Albert Einstein publish his theory?
Okay. When did Albert Einstein publish the theory of relativity? Your answer. C. A. B. Okay. C. A. B. One answer will be correct. Only one. C. A. B. Good. B. First group.
Who invented the first steam engine?
Who invented the first practical steam engine? A. A. Okay. A. No. No correct answer.
The invention of
Who is it credited with the invention of the World Wide Web? It means, do you know what does it mean? 3W, which we are mostly using inside of the internet. B, also B. All your are B's. Good. One.
Will the Tim Berners-Lee invent?
Okay. It means when did Tim Berners-Lee invent? When? B. A. C. BAC. Okay, BAC. A1, first group.
What did Charles Darwin propose in his theory of evolution?
Okay, what did Charles Darwin propose in his theory of evolution? C. Let's see. Let's see the C answer. Very good.
Method selection.
Next.
Who invented the first printing press?
A. We'll see. The answer is good.
What did Isaac Newton discover about gravity?
Okay. Isaac Newton discovered C. C. We'll stay on the C. Okay.
Universal gravitation. Who invented the first practical electric battery?
Now, tell me only the letter C.
Nuclear Thomson Roll
And next.
stethoscope was invented by.
A. Your turn. Okay. A. U. B. A. B. B. Okay. Let's see. No. It's like okay.
Who discovered the laws of planetary motion? Who invented the first practical electric
Later. Rain. B. Two like me. Thank you. Well, okay, good. Next.
When did the Wright brothers invent them?
We have inside. You also see. See.
First airplane.
No answer. No
The
correct.
discovery of the laws of motion.
Okay. Who is known for the discovery of laws of motion? Your number. A. What do you think? Also A. Let's check. Thank
Air conditioner was discovered by.
Okay. A. A. Two correct answer.
Who invented the microscope?
Who invented the microscope? B. A. A. Huh? Let's see. B. A. First. Okay, D and A. Ask this question that you explained and messed up here. C. B. C. B. Do you like answers? C. B. No.
Who
So
invented the electric light bulb?
use that. Okay. Okay. Who is credited with the invention of the light bulb? B. Three B's. Okay. Three B's. Same thing.
Thomas Edison.
Next one.
When did Thomas Edison invent the electric light bulb?
When? When did Thomas Edison invent the electric light? C. Your turn. C. The answer is B. C. C. B. B. C. C. B. C. B.
1879.
Mistake.
Who invented the first barometer?
Okay. Who invented the first barometer? Your turn. B. C. B. Which one? C. B. C. C. Remember B. C. C. Let's see the B. Only one. Okay, who discovered the laws of planetary motion? B. Your turn. You also choose like B and B. All the B's.
The planetary motion.
Let's see about the correct answer. No, the right sound.
What invention did Samuel Morse contribute to?
Okay, but all this information. C. All down to the C. C. Okay, correct also.
Who invented the first electric locomotive?
Invented the first electric locomotive. Locomotive is like the kind of the main part of the train. Train. George Stephenson, yeah, okay. E, your turn. B. B.
Who discovered the laws of planetary motion?
Not even.
What invention did Samuel Morse contribute to?
No, it was about the locomotive. Huh? What did it?
That's correct. It's Dmitri Mendeleev.
Yeah, but what did
The
it?
discovery is associated with
Not quite again, not minus. Tell me, Alexander Fleming. Next one, please, we'll see.
who is famous for the invention of the steamboat.
Okay. Who is the famous voice in for the invention of steamboat? Okay, C, the first group, second one. C. Okay, all answers to present as C. Comment.
Name that first artificial satellite.
Okay, first artificial satellite. Please. NASA, okay.
Sputnik 1.
Only two answers correct.
Who invented the first practical sewing machine?
Okay, who invented? Edison, B, okay, good. The first group, yes. B, B, three B's. Three B's.
Who is known for the discovery of X-rays?
Please count all the comment. A. Well, then you usually practice C, huh?
Correct is Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Who invented the first camera?
What about the queen and the first chapter? Okay, B. Also. Good. Let's check.
Right. It's Georgie Smith.
Next one.
The solar system was discovered by
The solar system. Copernicus, B. Your turn. B, also B, and you turn like. Let's see. Probably three answers. B. Copernicus.
who discovered electron?
Who discovered? C, B, B. C, B, B. Ah. CBC. CBT. Yeah, correct.
What invention did Carl Benz pioneer?
Okay. Okay, B. Second. Because Carl he was the father like
Who is credited with the discovery
you
of the
know the Carl Benz? This like man put the name of the cars like former daughter's name. Mercedes. Mercedes. Okay, who is credited with the discovery of neutron? A. Chubby. Let's see.
Correct. It's
All the
James
correct
Webb,
answers are more than A.
who invented the James Webb Space Telescope.
Okay, telescope one. One space telescope. Approximately with that five questions. Now then, second. Your turn. For example, what kind of like what number? Or like letter B. U. A. BAC. CAB.
Who is known for the invention of the computer mouse?
Who is known for the invention? Tim Berners-Lee. You also be you choose for example. And your turn is three B's. Okay, let's see.
What invention is associated with John Lucky Bear?
Okay, what about this one? John Lajibair. C. C. A. Yes. No.
When did John Lucky Bear invent television?
B. C. B. A. A will look like this. How? Three, two, C, and one B.
It's the year 26. Who discovered the planet Neptune?
Yeah. Victorian said he put the name. C. C. B. Two C and one like two C's and one B, huh? One, only one.
What? Each got her gone.
Okay, wait, please.
The time is up. It's like starting to go. A. Let's say and this will get CCA. Remember? Right answer.
Ochiq.
Okay, approximately
One
1 minute.
discovery is associated with Benjamin Franklin.
See? Big, all the answers like this? Let's see. All of them. Good.
Right, it's electricity. Hope you got most of them right. Make sure you
That's all. Now, it's time for like counting your scores. Just a second. And after before our like judge will count your home task. I'll give you the home task for you. It means go writing for your home task for the next lesson. Write 3-4 sentences about which discovery people is more than likely the most. The class will be like church, and depending on the person's name and what kind of like discovery this like man or scientist did. Okay, this will be your home task. And now let's count your scores. And do we have anything? Okay, now look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 here. There are team number 1, 23 and 32. The whole 32. Second one, 21. 28. And the third one group is 22 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means 31. It is depending on the numbers, the first will like winning of our today's lesson. Four. Good, not excellent. Thank you for your participation. I hope that the lesson was over. The time is up. Just a second.